Hi, this is an overview of the Surmount trade copier and data capture EA. The EA basically takes trades from a master account, transfers them via our API to another instance of the same EA running on a slave account. Or it may be in a user mode where it's somewhat simplified, but basically the functionality that the user's EA will be the same as this. It's also capable of capturing historical data. In master mode, it runs on the same machine as you would run the quant models that we want to capture and send to our API. It captures those trades and then encodes them and sends them to the API, where they're then available from the slave instance to be copied onto the local machine that the slave is running on. Let's have a look at some of the settings. As you can see, this is currently set for master, but obviously the other option would be for slave. This software may be able to run on a broker where they can capture these trades from our API and trade them directly, or a simplified version is available for the user. But in this instance, this is what it would look like running on our quant server. We can define the slippage. We can also define the lot sizes in a number of ways. With everything set to 0, it'll simply duplicate the lot size as defined by the quant model. However, we can override that by setting our own lot size. We can multiply, or in fact divide, by putting in a fraction, the recommended, or what the quant model would state as a lot size. We also have the option of setting a risk percentage based on account size. So that's worked out from the stop loss. These are some of the symbols that are used by the data capture component of the EA. And now we're down at the quant models. This is where we define the various quant models that the system is capturing trades for and sending to our API. We give each quant model an identifier, and then we know and we capture them via the magic numbers. And there's a range of magic numbers available for us to look for when we're looking for those EAs that are running on the system, or potentially algorithms running on other platforms, and they're being captured and being allocated to this quant model. The slave mode works basically the same way. We have the same identifiers, and those identifiers allocate the different quant models from the master account to the same accounts on the slave. Hopefully that makes sense. Thanks.